What's the deal, everyone? Welcome back to the studio. I'm Jeremy Deal, and earlier today, I had some last-minute dental surgery, so I might sound a little weird. But I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about Fotello's new team updates. Now, y'all know I have personally been waiting for this since my very first update on the platform a few months ago. But one thing I really appreciate about the Fotello team is the hard work they're putting in as a development team, constantly striving to make the platform what we need it to be and using our recommendations to get there. That means a lot. First thing you should know, unlike Ario, there is no extra price associated with having more teammates on your account. The way Ario makes you pay in tiers for the amount of people with a log in your account is honestly extremely silly in my opinion. So if Ario is starting to drive you nuts too, consider making the full switch to Fotello because they also have an entire delivery and payment side of the platform too. Now, we're not going over all of that in this video, just thought I'd bring it up since this is the only platform I know giving you free tour deliveries just from editing the photos through them. All right, back to the team stuff, right? Believe it or not, this is about to be super simple. First, let's do everything through the admin side so you know how you're going to be adding your team members, and then I'll show you everything from the creator side as well so you know exactly what it's like to be added to your team. All right, here we are in Fotello, and if this looks different than your screen, it might be because there is now a difference between the way teams look and the way a regular account looks. So there may be some difference there. I'm not 100%. Let's go in here and show you how teams actually work. So the first thing you're gonna do is click your profile down at the bottom and go to settings. Then you're gonna go over to your manage teams option. Now, as you can see here, this is where all of your team is. I have all of my full-time members on here right now. I have not yet introduced any of my part-time members. Either way, invitations, this shows every invitation that you have sent out so far, and this is how we're going to send out invitations for the team to begin with. It will also tell you if they've been accepted and what role they have, because there's two roles you can give, photographer or admin. All right. Let's go ahead and invite someone, and I'm actually going to invite myself. Just in case, boom, and I'm gonna add myself as a photographer. Right here is where you would pick admin or photographer rights. Now, obviously an admin will have way more rights to the background stuff, like how much you spend on stuff. Photographer will just have the ability to create tours and upload as far as I know. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and press send invitation right here. And just like that, we have sent off our invitation to be a part of our Fotello team. Now you can see right here on the top, there's my email address, the role that I've been given, and it says that it's been pending by me. So from your side, that's basically all it looks like. Now, if for some reason the code did not go through or the email didn't go through or went in trash or for something like that, you can also copy the link, which is right over here, copy that link, and you can send it out as though it's just a regular old link to someone via email. All right, there we go. Popped up right here, and I can click it right here. Let me log out of this so that way you can see what the other one looks like. Just go sign out for a minute. Now let's go into the photographer or the creator side, should I say. And we'll go ahead and click this link and it'll bring us to Fotello for this. Boom, boom, boom. And let's just give us any kind of password because I will be removing this after anyway. Boom, agree to the terms of service and create account. Now again, this is from the creator side. It says I'm joining this team in particular. Sure, we'll save this for now. Brings you through the whole process, joining team. It's gonna set up everything so that way you're all linked together. And now, boom, you are now part of the Picture Your Property team, or at least I would be part of the Picture Your Property team. And if I had multiple teams, this is how you switch them right down here. So if I want to go to my own account, which I now have, you can go right here, or you can go right here to the Picture Your Property one. Now, whenever you're a photographer, the only thing you're going to be able to see are the listings that you create and not the listings that everyone else creates, the same way we did it, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna sign out from right, so you can create a new listing right here. It does not tell you how many listings are available on your account, how many listings you've done, none of that stuff on the photographer side. If you do give them admin access, they will be able to see all that. But from this side, they cannot see any of that, which is nice. So you can add photographers directly to your team without them having all the business stuff that they don't really need access to. All right, now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna log out right down here, and I'm gonna log back in with my account. Boom. So this is how it looks once you actually have a team and everything on the back end. So you'll be able to see a few things. First, if I go back down here, we can go back to settings and go back to manage teams. And now you can see right there on the top, I have actually been added right here. So there we go, new team member as a photographer. Now let's go back to the listings page, and I'll go over a few things that have changed right here for those of you interested. Instead of the thumbnail view all the way across, it's now more of like a list view if you're used to Windows list. So you're gonna have a thumbnail right over here, the title property. As you can see, we name everything, the name of the address, sometimes what the job is done, especially if we go there and we had 2 jobs to do there and for some reason one did not happen. Like for this one, he was supposed to do interior photos also, but they were not ready, so he put aerials only, file number, so on and so forth. Now status pending, this refers directly to whenever you use Fotello as a delivery platform. I'm currently not using it as my main delivery platform. I'm still using Ario as my delivery platform, but there are a lot of reasons to switch over. I just haven't made that time yet. I do plan on making a video on that in the future, so maybe I will be switching after I go through all that process. Either way, I digress. That's what the pending status is up to. So that if you send it off to a client, I'm sure those change, but either way, that does not matter. Right here, photos, this tells you the number of photos in each tour, and then created by tells you which creator on your team created it and the date in which it was created. All of that super useful information. That's about it. Back to myself. If you have any questions I did not cover, make sure to put them down in the comments down below. Make sure to also check that affiliate link down below if you're joining up for Fotello the first time, or any of the other links I have down there associated with the softwares and hardwares I use to run my photography company. I'm Jeremy Deal, and I'll catch you next time. And thanks for watching. I mean, you watching is the only reason I make these videos, so I don't think I said that yet. Thanks for watching. See you next time.